Hey guys, CC Guns here. Guess what's in the box? It's a demo can that I have, and it's one of my favorites, and I think personally is one of the best hidden gems among the 9mm silencers on the market. You don't hear a lot of people talking about it, at least not right now, but I heard about this through a friend and I gave it a try, and guys, I've got to say, this thing has incredible performance. Now, it is a huge can, don't get me wrong. It's very large. Let's look at a popular K can, one of the market leaders. The Silencer Co. Omega9k. This one has the flush fit 3-lug mount, and it is an excellent can, and I do love this can. I love putting it on guns like this APC9 Pro here, for example. But, you know, with K cans, they're going to be a little bit louder than a lot of people anticipate. This is the largest 9mm specific can on the market that I'm aware of. And it's actually quite lightweight for its size. It has an integrated 3-lug mount and a modern baffle stack. Guys, this is a modern take on a very popular can from the 90s called the Gemtech MK9K. This is basically a revamped, redesigned internal, as far as the internals go, they've been redesigned, and a revamped design of that can for the modern era. Now, because of the large internal volume, this can sounds truly, to me in person, the tone is unlike any other can. I don't know if this will translate as well online. I'm going to do a shooting review, and I'm going to do a live shooting demo for you guys with the APC9 Pro. I'm going to compare it to the Omega9k. Now, I know a lot of you guys are going to say that's not a fair comparison. You know, one's a K can, one is a huge can. I'm not trying to say that this is a comparison video for the sake of comparison. This is just to give you an idea of the GSL Phoenix, its performance as a suppressor. I'm going to do a baseline unsuppressed, then one with Omega9k, simply because this is typically what I run on this gun, because, you know, size does matter, and most of the time I don't want a huge can on there. But I think it's really cool to have the option to really turn the volume down, and that's where this suppressor shines. That's where it comes in. And when I demo this to prospective customers, they're always blown away by how quiet it is. And, you know, I'll say it, guys, it's more quiet than the Dead Air Wolfman. Now, unfortunately, right now, I don't have a demo can of the Wolfman I can shoot to compare it to, but maybe in another video. But to the ear, this is more quiet than the Wolfman. I know I'm going to ruffle a lot of feathers saying that, because the Wolfman is kind of the king right now of the subgun cans, and a lot of guys are very emotionally invested in the Wolfman. Don't get me wrong, the Wolfman's one of my favorites, and it's in my top 3 favorite suppressors for 9mm subguns, but this has a different tone. I'll leave it at that. Anyway, shooting video coming right up.